Welcome, friends. I am super excited today because I have recently got four my online IELTS classes results. Two of my online students got 7.5 bands as overall, two of them got 7 as overall. So I am super excited, super motivated for this cue card recording, and because for a teacher the truest reward is the success of his pupil, success of his students. So my students matter a lot to me, and it is just the love and respect and appreciation and contribution of the students that I am recording these cue card videos year after year. So right now I am going to take a topic which is talk about something you enjoyed doing in a group. Actually, I have opened my iPad at the back of my phone. So statement I'm reading from there. Talk about something you enjoyed doing in a group, and you should say what it was, when you did it, with whom you did it, and explain how you felt about it. So here is my take. Group activities are really enjoyable and teaches us a lot, and especially I love doing group activities. Why? Because individually we can do so many things, but we cannot do the complete thing. So we need people, we need resources, we need brains, we need ideas. So for that, teamwork is paramount and really instrumental in executing the big projects and big things. So here the group activity that I would love to share is that whenever I write books, so obviously writing a book is not the activity of one person. So when I write books, I take help of my editing team, my publishing team, the designing team, the printing team, the publication team. So obviously it is a group task. So and if you speak about this cue card, you can take the example of playing cricket, you can take the example of playing video games, you can speak about long drives or tours, or like visit to any historical place that you done with your family members or friends. So that totally depends on your situation. So let me come back on my original situation. Like, I have written 6 books nationally, internationally. So I would love to answer this question with my behalf, like what kind of situations I do have in this cue card. So I write books. So writing a book is not a task of one person. So I write my ideas, or I type my ideas, then I share those things with my editing team, or the senior editors, the people who are way more experienced than me, and then they find mistakes and they make the sentences more attractive and fascinating and captivating to the readers. So that is a thing. So last time when I wrote the book, last time my book came in the market in 2016. My 3 books came simultaneously in the market in 2016. So the activity name was writing the book, and the year was 2016, and the publication was Pigeon Publication from New Delhi. And I literally enjoyed that activity. I learned a lot from that group activity, that while working in a group, we compensate each other. Like, if your one skill is strong, so the other person may have some other skill strong, and the other person may have some different skill strong. So obviously it's the combination of skills, it's the combination of strengths, and it's compensating each other's imperfections. So group activities and team activities are really monumental and quite conspicuous in obtaining success. One must know how to work in a group to become successful, to become legendary, to have a success that may have the ability of longevity. So this was my take on this cue card question, and I would love to tell you one thing with a lot of love and a lot of respect, that if you are an IELTS student and you have given your IELTS exam many times, and still you are hunting and seeking for your dream score to go to Canada, Australia, or any of your dream countries, then you can take my help in online IELTS classes. Apart from taking online IELTS classes, you can talk to me about any particular module, like if you are having issues in reading, if you are having issues in writing. Suppose you are an A777 candidate and you are not getting 7 bands in writing, then obviously you need somebody who is having a great knowledge, a deep knowledge of letter writing, essay writing. So you can talk to me. I am open for these kind of helps. From years I'm open, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 9966055415. If you want to improve your speaking level, if you want to improve your reading levels, you have given IELTS exam couple of times but still you are not getting your reading score. I have helped hundreds of students in my 7+ years of experience, and right now I am also teaching around 35 students in my online various platforms. So you can come to me, and I assure you the kind of services, the kind of teaching you will get, that is up to the mark. If you want me to record any of the cue card videos, latest topics, you are more than welcome to put a comment below any of my YouTube videos. Thank you so much for being with me. Stay committed, stay hungry, stay foolish. Thank you. Bye bye.